Hello, dear students. Today I'll talk to you about the verbals, the very important items in English grammar. You know, verbals means when a verb works like noun, adjective, or adverb. It's called verbals. There are three categories in verbals. First is infinitive, gerund, and participle. So infinitive, gerund, and participle. With these three, infinitive, gerund, and participle are called altogether verbals. When a verb works like adverb, okay. Listen. 2 plus verb. When verb takes 2 to express the different meaning, different like that means verb. 2 plus verb works as adverb. Then we say it infinitive. Okay. Infinitive means 2 plus verb. Okay. Gerund, verb plus ing is called gerund. If verb takes ing and works like that noun and verb altogether. If it works as noun and verb, then you will call the verb is gerund. And the participle is that verb, if verb takes ing and works as adjective and verb, so we call it a participle. So gerund, if verb will act as noun and verb also, it is called gerund, and its formation is verb plus ing. And participle is called verb plus ing, and it acts as adjective and verb. Participle are also three kinds. Participle are also three kinds: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. Verb plus ing, it works as adjective and verb, it's called present participle. Past participle, you know, there are three forms of verb: V1, V2, and V3. The past participle, the third form of the verb is verb, past participle. You know it very well. And perfect participle is that having plus V3 means verb, past participle of verb. Having plus past participle of verb is called perfect participle. Perfect participle works like that. Having finished a work, we are going to start another work. If I finished any work and going to start again another work, so here we have to use perfect participle. Having plus past participle of verb is called perfect participle. So my dear students,